Introducing the all-new Hardy Saddle Roof Tieback device, a readily available over-the-counter product that has been thoroughly engineered, tested, and approved to meet all 2020 OSHA and code requirements. The patent-pending Hardy saddle attaches to a single beam, the size of which is determined by the engineer of record. Simply lay out the location of the saddle onto the beam per the dimensions provided on the plans and specs. It is recommended that the saddle be fastened to each beam prior to joisting operations. Begin joisting operations placing each beam on the joist layout. This saves plywood at roof sheeting. Set the beam, then finish joisting. Any additional blocking, fastening of beam ends, and/or strapping adjacent to each saddle are at the discretion of the engineer. Typically, 2 rows of blocks are installed perpendicularly at each end of each device, extending 3 joist bays beyond the saddle in each direction. Snap lines 2 inches away from saddle ends. Install 1 Tico to the bottom of each block that butts the beam. Then install 2x4 flat backing parallel to each side of the device for plywood nailing. If rip strips installed directly on top of level roof joists, install a continuous CS16 strapper equal directly on top of the 2 rows of blocks. Once saddles have been installed and straps have been nailed, you can start installing rip strips and/or slope roof joists. More often than not, the 12 or 18 inch long tieback device will extend the required 8 inches above the roof sheeting. When the sloping members adjacent to the device exceed 9.5 inches, the 24-inch device will be available. Generally, a post similar in width to each beam is installed beneath each beam end and then fastened with a twist strap. The Hardy Saddle Tieback can be purchased nationwide. Check your local supplier for availability, or for more information, call or visit our website at hardyfps.com.